Perfect.
Sorry.
I can continue, sir.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Yeah. Hare Krishna. There is just let me see. Chandan, welcome, Chandan.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you, Prabhu. Hare
Chandan
Krishna.
this
Dandat
is
Pranam, Prabhu.
Chandan is from Nette College. Manjunath is in Bangalore. Radha Mataji is in America. Shivani, Hare Krishna, Shivani. Yeah, I'm seeing you first time. Venu. Hare Krishna, Shivani, your hand is raised. Okay.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, Hare Krishna.
ठीक है, welcome. ठीक है, and चलो,
Venu from Andhra Pradesh. Hare Krishna Prabhu.
ठीक है. Now I'll mute everybody. Gaurav, I'll unmute you. ठीक है. Sing now.
Yes.
Nobody can interrupt you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, sir. Hare Krishna, sir.
Hare Krishna. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Namo Bhagavate
Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
Vasudevaya.
Om Gyana तस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिधि नामिने। नमस्ते
नमस्ते
सारस्वते देवे
सरस्वती
गौरवाणी
देवी गौरवाणी
प्रचारिणे
प्रचारिणे
निर्विशेषाय शून्यवादी पाशाद्देशतः।
देशतारि
जयो श्री कृष्ण
जय श्री कृष्ण
चैतन्य प्रभु
चैतन्य प्रभु
नित्यानंद
नित्यानंद श्री
अद्वैत
अद्वैत
गदाधर श्रीवास
गदाधर
गौर
श्रीवासादि
भक्तवृंद।
गौरभक्तवृंद।
हरे
हरे
कृष्णा
कृष्णा
कृष्ण
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 हरे
कृष्ण
हरे
हरे हरे
हरे राम
हरे
Hare
राम
Rama,
राम
Hare
राम
Rama,
राम
Rama
हरे
Rama,
हरे।
Hare Hare.
Okay, I'll mute everybody. You can unmute yourself. Okay. So we start from, I think we did till 111. I shall describe later in detail. Maybe we just did 112. Page marker was here. Okay, we start. Then shloka chanting is Sushmita. She has not come. Rangini Mataji, Shobha Mataji, you can chant the
Hare Krishna
shloka.
Prabhu.
Shobha Mataji, you can chant the shloka. Rangini Mataji, we will hear the translation and purport by
Yes,
Surya. Okay?
Yes, Prabhu.
So I get association of Salala. 112. Okay. Okay. I can introduce. Here, one person has joined today, Chandan. He is my student from Manipal, and he is holding on Krishna consciousness for maybe around 10 years now already.
Yes, bro. Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank
Hare
you,
Krishna.
Prabhu. Hare Krishna to everyone.
Chandan,
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
most of the people are in Gulf. They are from a place called Oman. You heard about Oman?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes.
All wonderful devotees there. And
Haribol.
okay. And then there is Gaurav. He is from student from Nitte. He is in Bangalore now. And Gayatri Mataji, Shobha Mataji's sister. Nitin is Pune. Chandan, there is one more boy in Pune. Nitin, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Get message. Chandan, your number, both of you. He's also very nice devotee. He can also. He's also recently married, like you. Like you, I wanted him also to become brahmachari, but he got married. But I told him that when his son become 80, I'll bring him back. But then I only 70-year-old at that time. I don't know.
Sure, bro.
Okay. So we can start now. The team is ready. Sushmita is trying to come in. Chalo. Sushmita, Hare Krishna, Sushmita Mataji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Krishna Prabhuji. Is it Hare Krishna Prabhuji?
Yeah, like lockdown only the voice. You try. If you go away, we have standby for you. Take care. Shobha Mata, you be standby. If she goes out.
Yes.
Chalo, 112, start. Jayo Jayo Shri Chaitanya Jayo Nityananda. Shri Chaitanya
Jaya Nityananda,
Jaya Advaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Jaya Advaita Chandra, Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Okay. Start. We also have, looks like some more new people today. We have Srivani, welcome. And we have Chinmaya Bhatt. I think he's also coming first time. So welcome. Chalo.
Continue, Prabhu.
Yeah, start.
Hare Krishna. পূর্বে ব্রজে কৃষ্ণ তীর্থ ভয় ধর্ম কৌমার পবন আর কৈশোর অতি মর্ম.
Translation. Formerly in Vraja, Lord Krishna displayed three ages, namely childhood, boyhood, and adolescence. His adolescence is especially significant.
Yes, we all know that. The most important part of Krishna Leela is adolescence. Therefore, all the temples in ISKCON, Krishna is in adolescence form. You noticed? Not in Balya form. Correct? We worship Krishna in the adolescence. He's standing gravely with his flute. Not like a child. Not like that. You can notice? Chalo.
বাৎসল্য আপিসে কইলা কৌমার সফল পৌগণ্ড সফল কইলা লন লয়ে সখাল বল.
Translation. Parental affection made his childhood fruitful. His boyhood was successful with his friends.
Okay, yes. I think that's true for everybody. Childhood is always with the parents and boyhood with the friends. Now that's the time they stop listening to the parents. Chalo, 114.
রাধিকা দিল এ কইলা রসা দিবিলাস বাঁচা ভারী আশা দিলা রসের নিরস.
Translation. Parental affection made. That's finished. Next 114. Prabhu. There is a translation. In youth, he tasted the essence of rasa, fulfilling his desires in pastimes like the rasa dance with Srimati Radhika and the other gopis.
Yes. Continue.
ঐশ্বর বয়সে কাম জগত সকল রস আদি লীলায় ধীন করিলা সফল.
Translation. In his youth, Lord Krishna made all three of his ages and the entire universe successful by his pastimes of amorous love like the rasa dance.
So the most beautiful of the pastimes of Lord come in. Yes. Okay.
This is
Continue. Oh, Shobha Mataji, Sanskrit.
yeah, Shobha Mataji.
सोऽपि कैशोरकवयो मान्यं मधुसूदना रेमे श्रीरत्नकुटस्था क्षपाशु क्षपिता हितः.
Translation. Yeah. Translation. Lord Madhusudana enjoyed his youth with pastimes on autumn nights in the midst of the jewel-like milkmaids. Thus he dispelled all the misfortunes of the world.
Purport. This is a verse from the Vishnu Puran 5.13.60.
Now we have come, a big verse has come. Okay? He dispelled all the misfortune of the world. There is so much happiness in that pastime. All the unhappiness of the world was digested. Okay, now this is, I think Nandananda Prabhu can try this. Big shlokas.
Yes, 117.
Yeah. Tough work for him. This is from this thing, Gopi Gita? No.
No.
From Rupa Swami's
Very, very intense. It is still very intense.
Purana.
Yes.
वाचा सूचित शर्वरी रतिकला प्रागल्भयाराधिकां व्रीडा कुञ्चितलोचनां विरच ह्यन्नग्रे सखीनामसौ तद्वक्षोरुह चित्रकेलिमकरी पाण्डिच्यपारं गतः कैशोरं सफलीकरोति कलयन् Kunje Viharam Harihi.
Thank you, Prabhuji. We are so fortunate.
Shall I read the translation?
Yes, ma'am.
Translation. Lord Krishna made Srimati Radharani close her eyes in shame before her friends by his words relating their amorous activities on the previous night. Then he showed the highest limit of cleverness in drawing pictures of dolphins in various playful sports on her breasts. In this way, Lord Hari made his youth successful by performing pastimes in the bushes with Sri Radha and her friends.
Okay. So I think no comments. We proceed. The verse from yes, Prabhuji Surnath.
Yeah, purport. This is a verse from Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu 2.1.231 of Srila Rupa Goswami.
Yes, Prabhupada mentions that much and no commentary he gives. Chalo, this is a big shloka. Yes, yes, Prabhuji, Surnath Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu.
No, sorry, this big shloka is for Nandanandana Prabhu. Yes.
हरिरेशना चेदवातरिष्यन् मधुराया मधुराक्षी राधिका च अभय विश्यदियं वृधा विस्पृष्टिर्मकराङ्कस्तु विशेष तस्तधात्रा.
Translation. O Purnamasi, if Lord Hari had not descended in Mathura with Srimati Radharani, this entire creation and especially Cupid, the demigod of love, would have been useless.
Purport. This verse is spoken by Sri Brinda Devi in the Vidagdha Madhav 7.3 of Srila Rupa Goswami.
The real, you know that this is Madana had a problem when he went to Vrindavan. Have you seen that place, Madana Ter?
No.
He fainted. He went to induce lust, correct? Shisha is there, Dr. Shisha. Shisha,
Yeah, Prabhu.
yeah, you explain. Madana Ter, near the Sanatana Goswami's place, correct? That,
Yeah.
near that, which temple it is?
Yeah, yeah, just above.
On the top of the hill, the temple of Sanatana Goswami, Madan Mohan temple, correct?
Madan
Near
Mohan.
that comes Madan Ter.
Madan
Shubha
Ter.
Mataji, you have seen Madan Ter?
I don't remember, Prabhu.
Okay. Shisha, you explain what happened. Why it is called Madan Ter, Shisha?
I also don't know, Prabhu.
But with that we know that Cupid fainted there, correct?
Yeah, he came to, seeing that Madana Mohini, that seeing him only, that he fainted. Yeah.
So that is the pointing Leela of Radha Krishna. He could do, he just fainted there.
Yeah.
He could not do anything. Yes.
The
Madan Ter.
Purnamasi.
Gaurav. Hare Krishna Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, I was muted, sir. Yes, sir.
Type Madan Ter and locate
Searching
it.
it, sir. Yes, sir.
More story of that will be there something. But we all know he fainted. Chalo,
Yes.
continue. This is so interesting actually.
Purnamasi, can you explain Purnamasi? Last class I asked. I didn't.
What you are saying for Purnamasi?
Yeah.
Yogamaya.
Purnamasi is actually associated. She is always along with the Vrinda Devi. She is arranging all the pastimes. This Raslila pastime.
Management.
No. Who is she in the Leela? She is somebody's mother or she is the friend of Radharani? What is she?
She comes to Vrindavan before the birth of Lord Krishna there.
Yeah.
Actually, with the two children, Nandimukhi and Madhumangala, there actually.
Okay.
And the presence of Lord will be there in Gokula, in Nandagopa's house. The Krishna's appearance will be there. That says that Krishna is simultaneously appeared in two places. Actually, he appeared in Mathura as well as in Gokula.
No, that we know that you don't make
This
it.
is astrologer. Actually.
I know that he took that and the body merged. But continue the other pastime, Purnamasika.
Purnamasi always she arranges. Actually, she is in that she arranges all these pastimes, Raslila pastimes, along with she plans everything. This is the pastime. This is the pastime. And
He's the pastime manager.
Yeah, she's the manager. And everything
Which
is,
Radha Krishna pastime or all play everything?
all these Rasalila pastimes are arranged by, decided by her, arranged by Vrinda Devi actually. Yes.
Okay, when the
Yes,
Vrinda
almost,
Devi. Samajh aaya?
Yeah, Prabhu, I have read, I don't know if I'm correct. She's a Yogamaya personified, some
Okay.
something like, I don't know, I'm not sure.
Yeah,
You have to
Because
check.
pastimes are arranged by Yogamaya, so definitely
Ah.
she's Yogamaya.
So same.
Expansion.
Huh?
She's some,
She is Yogamaya personified,
yeah.
arranging Krishna's pastime.
She only. That's everything is done by Yogamaya only. Actually, she's
Yeah.
she's
So in that way, she is Yogamaya's personification, correct?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
And she is interested to arrange the pastime every day. So all the devotees
She's
should be
deciding.
happy.
All the pastimes are decided by Purnamasi.
Okay, today this will happen. Okay, fantastic. So everything you have to get ready, Shubha Mataji. Everybody is there. Lot big team is there. Vrinda Devi is there. Purnamasi is there. Chalo. We Nandanandan Prabhu, one more shloka for you. 1920. Okay, I think we did read, we have not read. Sorry, Prabhuji. 118 is there. Hari.
118?
118 finished.
Yeah, we not
We
read.
can
Oh, it's over. We read Kupidan.
Oh, finished. Finished.
Oh,
19 and 20.
therefore, the Purnamasi name came and Rangini Mataji started the discussion of Purnamasi. Okay.
I think this is Bengali Prabhu, 119 and 20.
Chalo, Sushmita, hold your mic carefully. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. এই মতো পূর্বে কৃষ্ণ রসের আস্বাদন যদ্যপি করিলা রস নিরসদারণ
Tatapi.
Tatapi. Translation. Even though Lord Krishna, she didn't finish Prabhu? Second two lines, next two lines. Tatapi.
She is the gone. Shubha Mataji, stand by.
तथापि न हि लतिना वाञ्छित पुराण सः आस्वदिते यदि करिलयताना.
Thank you.
Okay. Translation. Even though Lord Krishna, the abode of all mellows, had previously in this way chewed the essence of the mellows of love, still he was unable to fulfill three desires, although he made efforts to taste them.
So he had all these leelas. Purnamasi was there, the manager of you, all his leelas. He enjoyed, but something was missing, correct? Which he has not enjoyed in his Vrindavan leela. Okay? Unable, three desires he didn't fulfill. Basically, these are all connected to Radharani's bhava. He wanted to taste it. Okay. Isn't it? Hello, 121. Yes, Sushmita, you're back. Try.
Yes, Prabhu. Am I audible, Prabhu?
Yeah.
Okay. আহারও প্রথম বাঞ্ছা করিয়ে ব্যাখ্যানো কৃষ্ণ কহে আমি হই রসেরও নিদান.
Translation. I shall explain his first desire. Krishna says, I am the primary cause of all rasas.
So everybody note down, 3. 1, 2, 3. Always these three are difficult. I remember one. Radharani wants to taste love of Krishna. He wants to taste. Krishna wants to taste love of Radharani's love. Now he's dividing into 3. They keep overlapping. Let us see if we can distinctly understand. Okay, the first one. Krishna says, I am the primary cause of all the rasas. Yes, rasa amrita sindhu. Ami hai rasera nidana. Okay, yes. Yes, Sushmita.
পূর্ণ আনন্দ মায়া আমি মায়া পূর্ণ আনন্দ মায়া আমি চিন্ময়া পূর্ণ তত্ত্ব রাধিকার প্রেমে আমি করই উন্মত্ত.
Okay, translation. I am the full spiritual truth and am made of full joy, but the love of Srimati Radharani drives me mad.
That's right. Krishna want to see what is this love. Okay, first one, you are all getting first one, make notes. So 1, 2, 3, you'll become authority in explaining Chaitanya Charitamrita. 1, 2, 3. So okay. Na jane.
না জানি রাধারও প্রেমে আছে কত বলো, এই বলে আমারে করে সর্বদা বিহ্বল।
Translation: I do not know the strength of Radha's love, with which she always overwhelms me.
রাধিকারো প্রেম গুরু আমি শিষ্যনাথ, সদা আমি নানা নৃত্যে নাচায়ে উধাত।
Translation: The love of Radhika is my teacher, and I am her dancing pupil. Her prema makes me dance various novel dances.
Okay, let us just again. Love of Radhika is my teacher. Dancing. Okay, Krishna Radharani basically makes me dance with her love. Krishna becomes, see, one of the characteristics of a great person, he can be controlled by love, isn't it? Correct? And Krishna is a great person. Radharani's love is pure. Krishna becomes totally, he said, I become mad. Okay, Nandana Prabhu, here it is. Govinda Lilamrita.
कस्मात् वृंदे प्रिय सखी हरे पादमूलात् कुतौ सौ कुंडारण्ये किमः कुरुते नित्य शिक्षां कुरुहुकः तं त्वन्मूर्ति प्रतितरुलतां दिग्विदिक्षु स्फुरन्ति शैलो शिव भ्रमति परितो नर्तयन्ति स्वपश्चात्.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
And then translation. Oh my beloved friend Vrinda, where are you coming from? I am coming from the feet of Sri Hari. Where is he? In the forest on the bank of Radhakunda. What is he doing there? He is learning dancing. Who is his master? Your image, Radha, revealing itself in every tree and creeper in every direction, is roaming like a skillful dancer, making him dance behind.
Purport. This text is from the Govinda Lilamrita 8.77 of Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami.
Anyway, spiritual world, there is no walking, there is only dancing. Every step is a dance. Huh? Every word is a song. So Prabhupada said many times, they asked him once the deity of Radha Krishna. Prabhupada said they should be, made in a way they are dancing. And Prabhupada then said, if this town stops, everything stops. The whole manifestation is around this dance of Radha Krishna. Hare Krishna Chandan, samajh aa raha hai? Hare Krishna Chandan.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Sorry, I was on mute.
Nice.
Nice, very nice, Prabhu. Samajh aa raha hai.
Chalo, good. Yes, Sushmita Mataji, don't wait.
নিজ প্রেম আস্বাদে মোর হয় আহ্লাদ, তাহা হইতে কোটি গুণ রাধা প্রেম স্বাদ।
Translation: Whatever pleasure I get from tasting my love for Srimati Radharani, she tastes 10 million times more than me by her love.
Abba.
10 million times.
Next.
What a specific number, sir? 10 million.
10 million is koti, no?
Yeah, koti.
Nija prema soda namora haye alada tahata koti. Koti is 10 million.
Koti guna.
Yes. Chalo, Sushmita Mataji.
আমি ইচ্ছে পরস্পর বিরুদ্ধ ধর্ম, আমি ইচ্ছে পরস্পর বিরুদ্ধা ধর্মাশ্রয়, রাধা প্রেমে তাইছে সদা বিরুদ্ধা ধর্ম মায়া।
Translation: Just as I am the abode of all mutually contradictory characteristics, so Radha's love is always full of similar contradictions.
Okay, so just okay, Krishna, all the contradictions come within Krishna and the Radhana love. Okay, now let us read what is he talking. Continue, Sushmita Mataji.
রাধা প্রেম রাধা প্রেম বিভু যারো বাড়িতে নাহি তানি, তথাপি সে কৃষ্ণে কৃষ্ণে বাড়ায়, তথাপি সে ক্ষণে ক্ষণ বাড়ায় সদাই।
Translation: Radha's love is all pervading, leaving no room for expansion, but still it is expanding constantly.
Yeah, it's a contradiction. No? It is full, but it is still expanding. Krishna is also all powerful, but he is continuously keep expanding in his power. You know? Okay, you know this. So somebody asked Prabhupada this question of the atheist, that can Krishna create something which he cannot lift? Prabhupada said, yes, he can create, but next moment he becomes more powerful and he lifts it. And he got defeated. You know, nobody could answer this question, the theist. The big riddle this atheist put. Prabhupada said, yes, he can create a stone which he cannot lift, but then he can become more powerful and then lift it. So Krishna is dynamic. So Radhana's love is also dynamic. It's constantly. It is full, but still keeps expanding. Okay. Chalo Sushmita Mataji. Shane, 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 every step.
ইহা ইহা ভাই গুরু বাস্তু নাহি সুনিশ্চিত, তথাপি গুরুর ধর্ম গৌরব অর্জিত।
Translation: There is certainly nothing greater than her love, but her love is devoid of pride. That is the sign of its greatness.
Nothing greater than our love, but our love is devoid of pride. Pure, that's pure love. Correct. See, in this world, the love is always mixed, it's polluted. But Radhana's love to Krishna is pure. And even though it's so great, it's free from any pride. Yeah. Then he's saying again another contradiction. Read.
Yes, ma'am. ইহা হইতে সুনির্মল দ্বিতীয় নাহি আরো, তথাপি সর্বদা ভাম্য বক্র ব্যবহার।
Translation: Nothing is purer than her love, but its behavior is always perverse and crooked.
See, this all people are experiencing in this world also a shadow of this. Isn't it, Chandan? Anna? Correct? A shadow of this, you can relate to your life also. Shadow of this is there. But it's shadow. Correct? This is pure.
Yes, Prabhu.
We can sometimes feel, okay, this kind of thing I'm also feeling in my life. No, no, no. This is, chalo, continue. All the emotions are there in spiritual world. In the metal world, they're having reflections of. He's saying her love is very pure, but why she's always so crooked? Her love is full, but why this keeps expanding? So he says, no, there are so many contradictions in our love. That's what he said in the previous. All mutually contradicting thing is in Krishna. He's inside, but at the same time outside. Correct? He's smallest, but at the same time greatest. It's about Radha, love is also contradictory, like me, my contradictory nature. It's full, but always keeps expanding. It is so great, but there is no pride in it, and it is so pure, but this always she's crooked. Chalo.
Prabhuji, this is Sanskrit.
Yes, Nandan Prabhu.
Vibhurapi kalayan sada viruddhim gurapi gauravachayaya vihinaha muhurupachita vakrimapi suddho jayati muradvishi radhikanuragaha.
Translation: All glories to Radha's love for Krishna, the enemy of the demon Mura. Although it is all pervading, it tends to increase at every moment. Although it is important, it is devoid of pride. And although it is pure, it is always beset with duplicity.
It is just yeah. Yes, continue, Prabhu.
This is a verse from the Dan Keli Kumudi 2 of Srila Rupa Goswami, Kaumudi.
See, there's so beautiful verses are there, Hannah. We don't even know. Prabhupada says, read my book 6 times, half a dozen times, because otherwise, if we have all this, the shlokas in our heart, isn't it, Surnath Prabhu? Correct? Hannah?
Yeah.
how much of spiritual life will enhance, Hannah?
Right.
So this is, I never remember, I read Chaitanya Charitamrita now as if first time I read. Okay, always beset with duplicity. All that's pure, always beset with duplicity. It's just to enhance Krishna's pleasure, isn't it? Correct.
Prabhu, I think in this book, Danakeli Kaumudi, this
You
is
read that
the
book, so
little bit, Prabhu. There was an app like a sloka form, Prabhu, mostly. It was actually about Krishna collecting taxes from Radharani and her friends. He
okay.
tortures them a lot. I think that was the one. He tortures them a lot, and finally Radharani gets so angry. It's very nice, long narration, very long. And he wouldn't allow them to settle the amount. How much they have to pay, he will never settle the amount. He would just
Demand more
go
and more.
on and yeah, adding more and more, and so much he would add in course only to pay for the tax.
Shisha, you also read this book?
No, Prabhu. No, Prabhu. I'm not read.
I have this book, Prabhu, but I have not read.
Danakeli Kaumudi.
Bhanu Maharaj has written it, so I
Oh, he has translated this.
translated this.
Mataji, Chandan had an opportunity to do lot of service to Bhanu Maharaj. I was telling you about Bhanu Maharaj.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah.
He translated lot of books from Sanskrit to English.
Yes, Prabhu. Yeah, even the other book also, Prabhu. Ujjwala Nelamani also, I think Maharaj translated.
Yes, Maharaj has translated it.
Chalo. Okay. You know, one place Prabhupada says, you read my book 6 times, then you read all the books. So I am not able to finish this
Correct.
times. Already 50 years, 70 years, maybe I'll finish. Then I will read. Whenever I meet Chandan, he says, you want the set? Yeah, I'll order a whole set, but I'm waiting when I finish 6 times. So that is what I think.
Correct.
Chalo. But anyway, these are all beautiful books, very, very beautiful books. And actually, they have been written. They asked Prabhupada, can we, Prabhupada? Yes, they have been written for reading only. Correct? Why did they write? They write for us to, Hana? They written to guide us. Chalo, continue. Smita Mataji. Oh, she's gone. Shubha Mataji.
Uh, 134, Prabhu.
132.
132.
Okay. Te premara Shri Radhika Paramashraya Te premarami Hayahi Kevala Vishaya.
Translation. Sri Radhika is the highest abode of that love, and I am its only object.
Vishaya Jatiya Sukha Amara Asva Amahaite Koti Guna Ashraye Radhada.
Translation. I taste the bliss to which the object of love is entitled. But the pleasure of Radha, the abode of that love, is 10 million times greater.
I taste the bliss to which the object of but the pleasure. Okay, I am the object of love, correct? She is the abode of love. She is the one loving. So that background sound is there. Okay. So, yeah. Taste the bliss. So, object is Krishna. Radharani, the abode of the love. So, object, okay, I am entitled to little. I taste some bliss, but she is tasting it 1 crore times more. Just imagine. Okay. Koti guna ashray alala. You got it? She is fine. I am feeling some happiness and love, but she is crore time more happy than me, and he is getting attracted. Yes. Yes. Continues.
Ashya Jatiya Sukha Paite Manadhaya Yante Ashwadite Rike Kari Upaya.
Translation. My mind races to taste the pleasure experienced by the abode, but cannot taste it, even by my best efforts. How may I taste it?
He also want to, correct? Somebody is eating something, you also become eager to taste how she's feeling crore time more happy, and I want to get a experience of that, correct? taste the pleasure experienced by the abode, what Radharani is feeling. But I can't taste. Your best effort, I'm not able to taste it. Okay. This is the first reason which is developing. Okay.
कबु यदि ये मारा ये होइए आश्रय तभी ये प्रेमानंदेरा अनुभव.
Translation: if sometime I can be the abode of that,
Love. Only then I taste it, not reach Salala.
yeah, only then may I taste its joy. Yes, it reached Prabhu.
Let us read it again. Is sometimes I can be the abode of that
Where
love,
is it?
only then I can taste its joy. Yes, Somnath Prabhu.
Yeah, purport. Visaya and Asraya are two very significant words relating to the reciprocation between Krishna and his devotee. The devotee is called the Asraya and his beloved Krishna is the Visaya. Different ingredients are involved in the exchange of love between the Asraya and Visaya, which are known as Vibhav, Anubhav, Sattvika, and Vyabhichari. Vibhav is divided into the two categories, Alamban and Uddipan. Alamban may be further divided into Asraya and Visaya. In the loving affairs of Radha and Krishna, Radharani is the Asraya feature and Krishna the Visaya. The transcendental consciousness of the Lord tells him, I am Krishna and I experience pleasure as the Visaya. The pleasure enjoyed by Radharani, the Asraya, is many times greater than the pleasure I feel. Therefore, to feel the pleasure of the Asraya category, Lord Krishna appeared as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Okay. Okay, this is true now. How Radharani is feeling the love for Krishna, he wants to feel it. Okay. Simple. Ashraya, Vishaya, that was going on till now. All this slokas is Vishaya. Chalo, continue. Heta Chinti.
ईता चिंती रहे कृष्णा परमा कौतुकी हृदये बधाये प्रेमा लोभा धक धकी.
Is it 134, Mataji?
136.
Yeah.
136.
Your page changed. Yes. Yeah. Translation: thinking in this way, Lord Krishna was curious to taste that love. His eager desire for that love increasingly blazed in his heart.
एक शुनार लोभेर प्रकार स्वमाधुर्य देखी कृष्ण करे न विचार.
Translation: that is one desire. Now please hear of another. Seeing his own beauty, Lord Krishna began to consider.
Okay, this is first one is clear. Ashraya, Vishaya. Krishna is the Vishaya. Correct? Let me see if you do not forget. Krishna is the Vishaya, object, Anna, and Ashraya. And this is the devotees. Anna? So the devotee
Yes,
is
take a
always
shot.
feeling the love of Krishna a million times more than Krishna is feeling. So Krishna wants to taste the Radharani's love. Correct? That's fine.
Right.
Okay. And now the 137. So he says now the second one comes. First one is clear. You want to taste how much love Radharani is having for me. She enjoys million times more, and I want to taste it. I'm not able to taste it. I can get a glimpse, but I'm not able to taste. What I can get as a subject, that's fine, but she's experiencing much more. Okay, is it fine? The first one.
Yes.
Second one. Now here, seeing his own beauty, Lord Krishna began to consider the second one. Okay. Yes, Sushmita, if you try, you will get logged out. So let Shubha Mataji sing and you can enjoy hearing. Correct?
Yes.
Okay? Yes. Chalo, Shubha Mataji.
Ananta Purna Mora Madhurima.
No, you jump 138. Adbhuta Anand. Left center.
Okay. Adbhuta Ananta Purna Mora Madhurima. Trijagati Ihara Keha Nahi Payasima.
Translation: My sweetness is wonderful, infinite, and full. No one in the three worlds can find its limit.
Okay, so the first one was love. Here, other thing is his own beauty, his sweetness. Okay, continue.
Ye prema dware nitya radhika ye kali. Amara madhuyamrita aswadi sakali.
Okay. Translation: One Radhika, by the strength of her love, tastes all the nectar of my sweetness.
Yadyapi nirmala radha rasat prema darpana. Tatapi swachata tara bhadi krishne bhadi kshane kshana.
Translation: Although Radha's love is pure like a mirror, its purity increases at every moment.
Wow. We are not qualified to hear all this, but so purifying. Okay, continue.
Amara madhurya nahi bhati avakashe. Ye darpane rage nava nava rupe bhashe.
Where is the translation?
Yeah, my sweetness.
My sweetness also has no room. My sweetness also has no room for expansion. Yet it shines before that mirror in newer and newer beauty.
Okay.
Man madhurya radhara prema done hoda khori. Kshane kshane bodhi done kehanahi hari.
Translation: There is constant competition between my sweetness and the mirror of Radha's love. They both go on increasing, but neither knows defeat.
समझ आ रहा है चंदन?
Yes, Prabhu.
As time grows, we become older and older. But Krishna Radharani, as time goes, Krishna become more and more sweet. And Radharani loves keep enhancing more and more. Just sun sakte hain and we can be purified by hearing. We can't even dream of all this.
Yes, Prabhu.
Amara madhurya nitya nava navahaya. Swaswa prema anurupa bhakti aswadaya.
Where is that? Okay, 143. Translation: My sweetness is always, that's finished. My sweetness is always newer and newer. Devotees taste it according to their own respective love.
Darpana didhi kiya di apana madhuri. Aswadite hoya lobha aswadite nari.
Translation: If I see my sweetness in a mirror, I am tempted to taste it, but nevertheless I cannot.
The first one was love. Radharani's love he wanted to taste. Second, you want to understand what is the sweetness he has that Radharani becomes mad after that. Okay. This is Sanskrit. No, this is also Bengali.
Vichara kariye yadi aswada upaya. Radhika swarupa hoite tabi manadhaya.
Translation: If I deliberate on a way to taste it, I find that I hanker for the position of Radhika.
Purport. Krishna's attractiveness is wonderful and unlimited. No one can know the end of it. Srimati Radharani alone can relish such extensiveness from her position in the Asra category. The mirror of Srimati Radharani's transcendental love is perfectly clear. Yet it appears clearer and clearest in the transcendental method of understanding Krishna. In the mirror of Radharani's heart, the transcendental features of Krishna appear increasingly new and fresh. In other words, the attraction of Krishna increases in proportion to the understanding of Srimati Radharani. Each tries to supersede the other. Neither wants to be defeated in increasing the intensity of love. Desiring to understand Radharani's attitude of increasing love, Lord Krishna appeared as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Okay, that is the fundamental point. You wanted to see Radharani's love, and now there is a sweetness. Anna? Okay? Krishna's features becomes more fresh. Pallavi, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So beautiful this is. We are hardly qualified, no, to read all this. I am reading, it looks like I'm reading as if first time. You know, when we read in association, we read so carefully. Anna, Pallavi? Hare Krishna. Chalo, now this is the Sanskrit shloka. Nandanandana Prabhu. Any questions till now? It's all clear, everybody? The first one was he wanted to taste the love of Radharani. Radharani loves him 10 million times more. Then, you know, and the happiness that Radharani has in loving Krishna is 10 million times more. Just wondering what is that she is feeling. You want to take. Second, she finds Krishna so sweet. He is so sweet. And seeing her love, his sweetness increases. And Radharani love also increases. So he wants to go and again see how she finds. He wants to taste his own sweetness. In fact, there is I don't know whether the shloka has not come, and Krishna sees in a palace of the Pandavas his own image, and he gets shocked. Who is this person so beautiful? Huh? We remember that?
Yeah. But
There is Krishna, somewhere we read it. Krishna sees his own image and he gets a shock. Who is this person so beautiful? Anna?
Yes.
Even Krishna doesn't know so beautiful, huh?
But in the childhood. In the childhood,
This is the shloka now, 146.
Oh, that is coming here. Oh.
अपरिकलित पूर्वः कच्चमत्कारकारी स्फुरति मम गरीयानेश माधुर्यपूरः अयमहमपि प्रेक्ष्य यं लुब्धचेताः सरभसमुपभोक्तुं कामये राधिकेन.
Yeah.
Translation. Who manifests an abundance of sweetness greater than mine, which has never been experienced before, and which causes wonder to all. Alas, I myself, my mind, bewildered upon seeing its beauty, impetuously desire to enjoy it like Srimati Radharani.
Purport. This text is from the Lalit Madhav 8.34 of Srila Rupa Goswami. It was spoken by Lord Krishna when he saw the beauty of his own reflection in a jewel fountain in Dwarka.
He said, who is this so beautiful person? Okay. Chalo. If we get reading all this, we can get little. We don't want Radharani's love is Mahabhava. One drop enough. This life is successful. Isn't it? How now in association of devotees we are reading, suppose we are leaving the body of devotees can all collect and read all this. Isn't it really so? Little love, we can leave the body. We can maintain this, imagine whole day, this bhava, what getting and hearing Chaitanya Charitamrita. Shobha Mataji, you must be floating whole day like that, but for us, we are telling. Isn't it how beautiful it is?
Prabhuji, I didn't hear properly.
So, we read now 147.
Krishna Madhurye Rayika Swabhavika Bala Krishna Adi Nara Nari Karaye Chanchala.
Translation. The beauty of Krishna has one natural strength. It thrills the hearts of all men and women, beginning with Lord Krishna himself.
Okay. So these verses are just like nectar. Now keep drinking.
Thrills the heart.
Chalo. 148.
Shravani Darshani Akashaye Sarvamana Apana Asvaditi Krishna Karena Yatana.
All minds are attracted by hearing his sweet voice and flute, or by seeing his beauty. Even Lord Krishna himself makes efforts to taste that sweetness.
So by Krishna's voice, what is sweet? His beauty, his voice, his flute, everything is so sweet. And Krishna himself wants to taste that sweet. Yeah.
ये माधुर्यामृतपाना सदा एकरे कृष्ण शांति नाहि तृष्णा बाधे निरंतरे.
Translation: the thirst of one who always drinks the nectar of that sweetness is never satisfied. Rather, that thirst increases constantly.
See, that is what you relate with Krishna. You give your love to Krishna, supply is unlimited. In this world, you try to love somebody, they'll only break your heart, correct? And then you spend time repairing that. But you give your love to Krishna, thirst is not satisfied, but supply is unlimited. Krishna will keep giving, isn't it?
Yes.
Right.
अत्र करे विधिर निंदना आविदग्ध विधि भला न जाने सृजाना.
Translation: such a person being unsatisfied begins to blaspheme Lord Brahma, saying that he does not know the art of creating well and is simply inexperienced.
Hi Chandra, do you tell your wife that Brahma has not created eyes well? I want to see you constantly.
No, Prabhu.
See, look at this. How beautiful is it? Hana? See, this pure love, isn't it, Chandan? Pure,
Yes.
pure love. And the intensity is so high. They're saying this in between, we have to flick our eye. They get angry at Brahma. This idiot doesn't know how to create bodies. And they blaspheme Brahma. You can't even imagine the fire of this love, है ना? हमारा तो क्या है, थोड़ा अगरबत्ती की तरह चल रहा है अल्लाह. And this fire. Same way we see in a proper desire to serve Krishna was so intense, so intense. Yeah, chalo.
कोटि नेत्र नाही दिला सबे दिला दुई ताहाती निमिष कृष्ण की देखी बामुनी.
Translation: he has not given millions of eyes to see the beauty of Krishna. He has given only 2 eyes. And even those eyes blink. How then shall I see the lovely face of Krishna?
They want million eyes and they don't want eyes to blink. Chandan, can you imagine? Can't even imagine what they're talking. Right?
Yes, Prabhu.
So the first one was the love. Krishna wants to taste Radharani's love, which is so intense, and he sees her so happy in any loving transaction. He feels happiness, but she is million times more happy. Second one is she is finding Krishna so sweet, and Krishna also knows he's so sweet. But can I taste my own sweetness? Correct. I have to take Radharani's position, Anna. And he's telling how they find him so attractive and sweet. Yeah, this is a shloka, I think. This is the, yes, Nandanandan Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu. Atati yadbhavanahinikananam trutiryugayate twamapasyatam kutila kuntalam srimukam chete jada udikshatam pakshakrudrusyam.
Translation: the gopis say, "O Krishna, when you go to the forest during the day and we do not see your sweet face, which is surrounded by beautiful curling hair, half a second becomes as long as an entire age for us, and we consider the Creator who has put eyelids on the eyes we use for seeing you to be simply a fool."
Purport. This verse is spoken by the gopis in Srimad Bhagavatam 10.31.15.
Yeah. So they can't see Krishna when he goes for the day playing with his boyfriends, herding the cows, taking the cows. Even a half a second becomes like an entire age. They find the separation so intense. And they put creator who has put, when Krishna comes in the evening, they just want to see him for a few minutes, correct, before he goes to the house. And they see that Brahma, you see that picture? All the gopis seeing Krishna when Krishna is coming back, correct? And they put the eyelids and simply a fool.
Sir,
Yes.
Eyelids are there even in Golok Vrindavan?
No, they don't blink.
Okay.
See, that's why Krishna is looking at you without blinking. You have to be very careful. Paramatma, you cannot escape. Looking like this. He doesn't blink eyes. You cannot hide anything from Paramatma. No, maybe he blinked his eye when I did something. No, he did not. Okay. Because see, blinking is a phenomena for moistening the eyes, correct? Which Brahma had to create, and the gopis are thinking you should have found a better idea than this blinking, correct? When spiritual eyes, there is no blinking.
They're always moistened.
Yeah, no, the blinking is done for the pastimes, not needed.
Yes, sir, yes.
Krishna may blink the eyes for some pastime, but as such, it is not needed. Gopis may blink the eyes to convey some message, but eyes don't need blinking. But here, these eyes, you don't want to close, but you are forced to close, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 153.
Thank you, sir.
This is like bouncer.
Huh?
This is like bouncer. It goes about our imagination.
Chalo, 153. Nandan Prabhu, another one.
Yes. Gopasya Krishnamupalabhya iradabhishtam yat prekshane drushishu paksha krutam sapanti drugvirhudri krutamalam parirabhya sarva stadbhavamakurapi nityayujam durapam.
Translation. The gopis saw their beloved Krishna at Kurukshetra after a long separation. They secured and embraced him in their hearts through their eyes, and they attained a joy so intense that not even perfect yogis can attain it. The gopis cursed the Creator for creating eyelids that interfered with their vision.
Oh, even at Kurukshetra, they kept cursing him. Huh? In Vrindavan, they were cursing him. In Kurukshetra, they cursed. What
Everybody curses Brahma only.
No,
even
previously they said he's a fool. Now they are cursing him. Oh my God.
In that song also, na Prabhu, Yadi Gaurana Haita, in that also, Vasudeva that says that Brahma has put a stone in place of my heart. I think that is why I have no feelings for you. So everybody is cursing Brahma.
No.
This text is from Srimad Bhagavatam 10.82.39.
So they drank Krishna, but there they could not embrace Krishna because it was Kurukshetra, so many people are there. Hana? So in their heart, they embrace Krishna. So see, in this word also, we have to put Krishna. You want to love somebody, you want to embrace somebody, just put Krishna there. Correct? Then your life becomes. Krishna Avalokana. Yes. Shubha Mataji.
Krishnavalokana vina netra phalayana ye jana Krishna dikhe bhagyavana.
Translation. There is no other consummation for the eye than the sight of Krishna. Consummation. Yes, bro. There is no other consummation for the eye than the sight of Krishna. Yes, consume and consummation, noun and verb. Okay. Whoever sees him is most fortunate indeed.
So when we'll get that chance? If Prabhupada was there, he would have said, okay, come, I'll show you. You know the pastime of Ramanujacharya? Who knows his pastime? Shisha knows. There was one Brahmana, and even though he was a Brahmana, his wife was very beautiful. And he was totally pet husband of his wife. He used to, when wife used to walk, Shisha knows this, no? When wife used to walk, he used to. Shubhamata, you know this pastime?
Most beautiful eyes.
Yeah.
Most beautiful eyes, he says.
No, Shubhamata, you know this pastime? He used to put his chadar below her leg.
Yes, yes, Prabhu.
Tell the pastime.
After seeing Srirangam beauty, then means Krishna is the
You are finishing all the climax. It's a beautiful story. ये तो क्या सब खत्म हो गया. So anyway, we should not tell the end. So he was doing like this. So everybody used to laugh at him. Correct? See, when you are a fool, you do not know you're a fool. Everybody else knows you're a fool. Correct? He was totally blinded by love for his wife. He's doing it. So then what happened was everybody was laughing and Ramanujacharya also saw that. So Ramanujacharya called him, come here. He said, what are you doing? He said, just once see the eyes of my wife. They're so beautiful. I get finished by seeing those beautiful eyes. Therefore, I'm serving her like. So he says, have you seen Krishna's eyes? He says, no, I have not seen. So come with me. So he takes him inside and he gives him blessing to see the deity's eyes, in the way that we should see. Correct? This is the eyes of the deity there, no? Ananta deity. Correct? Ananta Padmanabha deity.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, it's Srirangam.
Srirangam.
Yes. Who is there telling?
Hare Krishna.
Krishna.
Yes, Krishna. No, you are Shiva Vaishnava. Come on, tell the story.
Yeah, Prabhuji.
Let us hear from you.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Very properly tell. I am not. You know the name of the Brahmana?
He's not Brahmana, Prabhuji.
Okay.
Actually, he belongs to Kshatriya Varna. He belongs to Kshatriya.
Okay.
So one day, Sri Ramanuja was taking bath in Kaveri, river Kaveri. So what he was doing, he was just putting a carpet. So it was sunny. It was sunny day. So he was putting carpet over the carpet. His wife was walking, and somebody was catching hold of umbrella. So he just seeing her eyes, right? So front she is coming. In the backwards he was moving. So everyone started laughing, and somebody was scolding him. So on seeing this Ramanujacharya, he is more compassionate. Why this guy is like this? So he showed compassion towards him. He called him with the help of his devotee. He just asked him to come and meet him. So he went and meet him. Why you are behaving like this? Why you are seeing your wife's eyes? See, Ramanujacharya, you see how beautiful eyes she has. Right? I couldn't see such beautiful eyes anywhere in the world. You just see Ramanujacharya. He told that, her eyes are not that much beautiful. You just come and see me. Right? I will show you one eye. That eye is more beautiful than anyone. One eye. Right? Then he took him to Srirangam temple, and he showed Sri Ranganatha, and he just prayed to Ranganatha, just to show your eyes to this devotee. I just want to change. So Lord Ranganatha showed his eyes. On that moment onwards, he left all the material opulences and other things. Right? He was serving for a king as a head of the Kshatriyas, and he left all these things. He started serving Ranganatha and Ramanujacharya.
Thank you, Prabhuji. It is so nice to hear from you. These are all beautiful leelas. If you go to sometime, Krishnan Dasan Prabhu, you should take us to Ranganatha temple, correct? Srirangam.
Yes, sure, Prabhu.
Then all around there are so many pastimes in the place.
Yes, Prabhu.
South India, we don't have Gaudiya Vaishnava Sthala, but we have this. We have one place there. Lord Chaitanya visited Srirangam.
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, sir. He took one of the Sri Vaishnava devotee. As a Goswami. He stayed there for 4 months, Chaturmasya, and they had a lot of arguments there. Right, and then later he became the devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he took him there to Vrindavan, and he became the devotee.
Even now we go there and they have people who are last time we went there, we had a very nice, beautiful, long kirtan there in that place. And I should share with you that kirtan, very sweet. very touching. And after that, we had the Pujari come, and he said, "I am a Gaudiya Shri Vaishnava."
And
Yes.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made Jagannath deities by his own hands when he stayed there for Chaturmasya, 4 months. Prabhuji. Those deities are also very beautiful, small, beautiful. In that temple.
Where Mataji?
There on
In
Srirangam.
That where the Lord
Just
Krishna-
opposite to, yeah, just opposite Gopal Bhatta Goswami's house. There's a mandir.
Still that house is there, Mataji? Still that house is
The
there?
temple. Yes, Prabhu, house is there, temple is there.
Okay. This time I will visit Mataji. This time I don't know about this.
And
Deep
then,
Mataji.
Krishnan Prabhu, there is one ISKCON devotees there. They very nicely take people around the
Yeah.
place there.
Yeah. Already Rangini Mataji told about this one, Prabhuji. Yeah.
Yes, Prabhu only gave us. Namanishta Prabhu only gave us the reference.
Okay.
Hello, we continue. 154. Still, we have 10 more minutes. We are seeing the watch should not move. No, we cannot stop the time. Chalo. Krishna
154.
Yes. Yeah, 154.
Yes, it is
55.
over. 155 now.
155.
Okay.
Consummation.
155. Okay, this is for Nandandan Prabhu, Sanskrit.
Akshanvatam phalamidam naparam vidamaha sakyah pasunanu vivesayatorvayasvaihi vaktam vrajesh sutayoranu venu justam yairva nipitamanu rakta katakshamoksham.
Translation. The gopis say, "O friends, those eyes that see the beautiful faces of the sons of Maharaja Nanda are certainly fortunate. As these two sons enter the forest surrounded by their friends, driving the cows before them, they hold their flutes to their mouths and glance lovingly upon the residents of Vrindavana. For those who have eyes, we think there is no greater object of vision."
Purport. Like the gopis, one can see Krishna continuously if one is fortunate enough. In the Brahma Samhita, it is said that the sages whose eyes have been smeared with the ointment of pure love can see the form of Shyama Krishna continuously in the centers of their hearts. This text from Srimad Bhagavatam 10.21.7 was sung by the gopis on the advent of the Sarat season.
Now what do we do? Break our head against the stone? See, continuously fortunate, we are unfortunate. Premanjana Churit. We can only sing the shloka. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochane Sansar Sadeva
Hridayesu Yasam Sundaram Achanta Gunaswarupam Govindamadi
Just let us get that photo. We can just Gopi. Anybody try to locate the photo? Gopi Krishna returning from forest. Sometimes we get that. Anybody can locate that photo? Krishna. I'm not getting that photo. You all know that photo, no? All the gopis are just standing in a very, they're just drinking the beauty of Krishna Balaram, and Krishna is staring at them. Balaram is walking straight. You all know that?
Yes. Sent it to your WhatsApp.
Huh?
I have sent it to your WhatsApp.
You are sent where?
On WhatsApp, sir.
Okay. We should have a competition. Yes. Okay. Oh, friend, those eyes to see the beautiful face of sons of Nanda Maharaj are certainly fortunate. As the two sons enter the forest, surrounded by their friend, driving the cows behind them, they hold their fruits to their mouth and glance lovingly upon the residents of Vrindavan. For those who have eyes, we think there is no greater object of vision. And this is what the picture is.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Wow. They don't want to close their eyes. Anna. Look at this Gopi. Can you see my mark? Look at her. But this is just limited because, and Krishna is staring at them. See, Balaram is going straight and Krishna is.
This is Venugita.
Venugita, correct.
Venugita.
Yes.
What is that?
Venugita. This.
This is picture of Venugita.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And see the calf also, Prabhu. The front legs of the calves are never on the ground. All the time in the front four legs.
Okay. The calves, what happened? Oh, she's in ecstasy, can't walk.
Yeah, all the time they'll be somersaulting when they go along with Krishna. They won't keep their 2 feet on the ground, it seems.
Chalo, we go a little more. Then this is Mathura. Yes, Nandana Prabhu, we'll hear you once more.
Yes. गोप्यस्तपः किमचरन् मुदमुष्य रूपं लावण्यसार मतमोर्जमनस्य सिद्ध्यं दृग्भिः पिबन्त्य नु नवाभिनवं दुरापं एकान्तधाम यशसं श्रियैश्वरस्य.
Translation. The women of Mathura say, what austerities must the gopis have performed with? With their eyes, they always drink the nectar of the form of Lord Krishna, which is the essence of loveliness and is not to be equaled or surpassed. That loveliness is the only abode of beauty, fame, and opulence. It is self-perfect, ever fresh, and extremely rare.
Purport. This text from Srimad Bhagavatam 10.44.14 was spoken by the women of Mathura when they saw Krishna and Balram in the arena with kings Kansa's great wrestlers Mustika and Chanura.
So this is when Krishna was walking, I think, Hannah? Oh, this was spoken when they saw these wrestlers. Okay. They're saying the gopis are so fortunate, so fortunate. With their eyes, they always drink the nectar of the form of Lord Krishna essence. What austerities must the gopis. That's why, you see, you want to get the opportunity, millions and millions of life, you have to do an austerity. No, it's not a joke. What do you say, Surnath Prabhu? Correct?
Yes.
And we should be ready to do austerity for millions of life to be able to become, get to see Krishna's beauty.
Right. They are questioning gopis austerity.
They're thinking what austerity they must have done. Correct? How fortunate they are. Why Krishna has made them so fortunate. Somebody. Okay, Manjunath is saying Hare Krishna. Thank you, Manjunath. Hare Krishna. We are ending. We are ending in a minute. Don't worry.
159.
Okay, what austerities. The essence of love and not vehicles of other. Only about a beauty. Take care. Srimad Bhagavatam, where woman of Mathura, when they saw Krishna Bala in the arena with incomes as great blessers, Mustika and Chana. Okay, now we stop. We don't feel like stopping, but we stop.
159 you stop, Prabhu.
159. Okay. Chalo. 157. Shobha Mataji.
अपूर्वा माधुरी कृष्णेरा अपूर्वा तरबला यहार श्रवणे मनः यतलमल.
Translation. The sweetness of Lord Krishna is unprecedented and its strength is also unprecedented. Simply by one's hearing of such beauty, the mind becomes unsteady.
Yeah.
कृष्णे माधुर्ये कृष्णे उपजय लोभ सम्यक् आस्वादिते नारे मने रहि क्षोभा.
Translation. Lord Krishna's own beauty attracts Lord Krishna himself, but because he cannot fully enjoy it, his mind remains full of sorrow.
Yeah, the last.
एतद्वितीया हेतुरकहिला वरणा तृतीया हेतुरयेभि शुना लक्षणा.
Translation. This is a description of the second desire. Now please listen as I describe the third.
That is tomorrow. Okay. So enough. Now what you heard, please digest, chant attentively. I know from one life, we don't know how many lives. But even billion lives, we can come to taste this. That's enough.
Difficult, very difficult today.
What do you say, Shobha Mataji? What do we do? Break our head against the wall?
We'll take the center of Prabhupada. Prabhupada says, I have the backdoor key of Golakavranda. We will try to hold up his dhoti.
Yes. We can only beg for mercy. But you know that how much wonderful thing Prabhupada is giving us. What he is giving us. We are like animals actually. All of us are like, not all of us, sorry, me. Like an animal. And look, this is unbelievable. So pure. Can't even dream. This is so pure. And we getting opportunity to hear. And we can understand why we are not there in the Leela now. We cannot, this is so pure. We are not fit to enter this pure. Isn't it?
Right.
Yes, bro.
We will be bored now. If we go there, we will be bored. We want to watch between some TV, some serials, some karmi jokes, some grammar katha, so many things. Sense getting. This is all love. Anyway, we can appreciate this. We can, Krishna can bless us. We can become sincere. Okay, now just let me thank everybody who joined. Chandan, Hare Krishna, Chandan.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you.
Thank you for joining. Actually, we will be enjoying so many days. I was thinking about you. And your number was not working. So old number what I had. So therefore, today something I made you liked or something in my Facebook. I saw you immediately there.
Thank you so much, Prabhu. You called me. It was very wonderful.
These are all wonderful devotees. I just get their association. Okay, Chandan. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Shisha. Hare Krishna, Rangini Mataji, and thank your husband also. He somehow chants it. I don't know which raga it is, but very sweet.
No raga, Prabhu.
That is best. That is best. Yes, Shobha Mataji, Hare Krishna. Gaurav, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, sir. Hare Krishna. Thank you all the
Hare Krishna, Prabhu Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, thank you very much. Thanks everybody.
Your throat is clear. We are very happy.
Thank you Prabhuji.
And we have some other people here. Varshini, this is, from Salala?
No, Prabhu.
Prabhu, no, it's me.
Keshav.
Varshini, okay. Keshav, Prabhu.
Okay.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah, yes, Prabhuji.
It's Keshav Prabhu. Keshav. Keshav Das.
Oh, Keshava is here. Opa, since when you are there?
That was my sister's idea.
Oh, since when you are
I forgot
there?
to change it.
Since when you are there?
My sister's ID must be.
No, you were today joined since how long?
Since beginning only.
By 9:30 I joined Prabhu.
Beautiful, no? This is going so nice.
Very nice.
Okay, good. Today you are hiding.
I would have changed ID. I forgot to change. Then I.
No. In one sense, you are hiding and enjoying. Like Shiva entered Rasalila.
No, bro, just enjoying and
So
listening.
they're all wonderful devotees. I think all of you know Keshava, Rangini Mataji. He is our. Oh, we have to hear his kirtans. Oh my God, unbelievable.
Prabhu, let him sing Prabhu now then. Last
No.
Kirtan.
We didn't know
Hare
this. Keshava, you can do. These people are 1.5 hours early. They are.
That was all once upon a time, bro.
But still,
Keshav Prabhu.
all of us
Hare
remember.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Well, he was the Vishnujan Maharaj of our group.
Yes.
Oh, please.
So anyway, Chandan, you remember Keshav Prabhu? Chandan?
Yes, Prabhu. I remember. With Sridhar
Hare
Prabhu
Krishna.
and Keshav Prabhu, they used to do kirtan, right?
Yes. And then here is Manjunath. Nitin, Hare Krishna Nitin. Radha Mataji, thank you for joining us.
Hare
Shri
Krishna
Ram.
Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Shri Ram.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
And Hare Krishna Sushma Mataji, Beltangedi. Hare Krishna. Mataji, you are able to understand everything? Sushma Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes.
Oh, fantastic. Very nice.
By your grace.
No. I'm so happy. You said you got Chaitanya Charitamrita also with you, no? You downloaded.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. Anything that you have that number, you can call her or any person you can call. Any questions you have. Okay. Srila Prabhupada ki. Vanchakalpatarubhascha
कृपासिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। वैष्णव की